Forecast.
Welcome back. How about a crisp, juicy, well, it's a wet apple. That was taken this morning from Tanya Brooks and Schuyler in Nelson counties. And yeah, we saw pretty good rain this morning. The airport in Earlysville, just over 3/10 since midnight. Some areas saw a lot more than that. Of course, throughout much of the day, it's been relatively quiet. For the most part, most locations have been dry this afternoon, and there have been some breaks that have developed in the cloud cover. Sun will set this evening at 7:28. It's currently 78, but we do have broken cloud cover out there, and the humidity is quite high with those dew points pretty much in the upper 60s and low 70s. 76 at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave. Been a little bit of peekaboo sunshine this afternoon, but not a whole lot. We've got 77 in Madison. We've got 78 currently in Palmyra. 81 in Dillwyn, same in Lovingston, and 76 currently in Waynesboro and Stanton. So temperatures tonight with a few showers around, generally in the mid to upper 60s. Now there'll be some areas of fog to develop, and while much of tomorrow morning looks relatively dry and quiet, we'll still hold on to some cloud cover, broken cloud cover. It's going to be the afternoon that we'll have to keep heads up for showers and storms that do develop. The temperatures here for Monday in the upper 70s to low 80s. It will be quite humid. The payoff is going to be what arrives on Tuesday with a much less humid air mass and a pretty comfortable rest of the week. But tomorrow afternoon, we do run the risk of some isolated severe storms. Storms will be scattered in nature, but they could be isolated severe. A marginal risk, that's 1 on the scale of 1 to 5 for severe weather. The main threat's going to be damaging wind gusts, some spotty hail. While very low, an isolated tornado can't be ruled out, but that's mainly across northern Virginia, but something to be mindful of with any of the storms that do develop. So our main concern will be wind, gusty winds that could produce some damage. Less than that would be some hail, and then again, very small chance of an isolated tornado. Additional rain, generally ½ an inch or less for most locations, but with any thunderstorm, there could certainly be localized higher amounts of rain that may cause some maybe localized pockets of high water. Now there's a 12-hour loop. We had that rain this morning. Bulk of it's moved away. There's been more heavier downpours near and east of I-95 this afternoon, but we can still see some scattered showers that develop later tonight. We have an area of low pressure up towards Chicago, big broad circulation here. It's going to be slow to lumber eastbound. Actually, it's going to move northeast, but the attending front now, which is east of Chicago, will be working in our direction. It won't clear our region until Tuesday morning, but once it does, we're going to have a nice pleasant air mass roll in. You can see these numbers back in the 70s across the upper Midwest. Well, this dip in the jet stream will continue to progress eastward, and the effects of that will be some drier air as we head into Tuesday, Wednesday, and really the rest of the week. So as we go through the late night overnight period, there could be some scattered showers, otherwise cloudy areas of fog. Should start tomorrow morning dry, but by the afternoon we'll watch for some of these storms to develop. And yes, we could have some isolated severe weather tomorrow afternoon. Then showers will taper off tomorrow night. The front comes through in the morning. It'll be cooler, drier, and more comfortable. Temperatures upper 70s, low 80s here on Tuesday. So mostly cloudy tonight. Could be a few showers around mid to upper 60s. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Really a pleasant stretch, Isabel, as we head through the rest of this week after we get past some storms tomorrow afternoon.
The word's less humid. That's what I'm looking forward to. Well, thank you so much, Eric. The federal government is